morning. Uy, Lucas is calling you, anak. Say good morning, Yana. Ay, careful, nak. Kape tayo. Ay, hindi pala ito kape. Apple cider pala itong iniinom ko. Apple cider tayo early in the morning. Ugoy, ano naman yan, Lucas? Come sit down, Lucas. Go on that side. Sit down. Don't lean back, okay? Just sit down. Just sit down. Come on. Meron silang early routine. Mag-classmate.
What is that? Are you gonna draw? Are you gonna write?
Meron silang lecture, mag-drawing.
Do you know how to write your name now, Lucas?
Yes, I did.
Oh, wow. That's good.
And I begun.
Wow, you're strong.
May pakamao pa.
And the mommy with the Lego.
Baby Hannah is also strong.
Ha?
The Lego kanina yun.
Kanina yun.
Kanina yun?
The
Ah.
Lego kanina yun.
Oo.
Because it's that big.
Oh, come on na. Anak sa paper. Uy. Ay. Very good. It's black. Yeah, what are the other colors? Where's the yellow? Can you find the yellow? Yellow. Show me the yellow. Yellow. Very good. What is that? Oh, Lucas got tissue for his That's a tissue, anak. Because Lucas is sweating a lot. That's tissue. Get one only, Lucas. Give Lucas only one. Okay, only one. Here, give to Yana. Only one, anak. Only one. Okay, have a seat here. Sit down, Lucas. Oh, no. Don't pull it everything out. Here. Put it down here. What are you doing? What are you doing, anak? Okay. Bored ng bata. wala na siyang playmates. Anak! Aga naman, nakaiyak naman tong napanood ko sa Facebook. Kaya tuloy na carried away tayo. Carried away. Ayan na, come here, nak! Ay, ang buhay nga naman, oh. Anyway, nandito tayo sa labas mo siya. Kape-kape lang tayo. Ay, kape-kape. Tea. Come here. Call Ayana, Lucas. Say, come over, Ayana. Come here, Ayana. Na, come here. Come here na, come here. Careful. Nandito kami sa labas every morning. Ito na yung ginagawa ko sa kanya. Sa labas na lang lagi. Oh, cover your mouth, Lucas. Thank you. Para maiwasan yung kaka-TV everyday. Kagahapon, kunti lang yung TV niya. TV screen niya. Puro nasa labas kami kahapon. Yeah, mas maganda yung nasa labas.
Baby, I know what did you get with my toys?
Oh no. Okay, no worries, Lucas. Mama Yana will help you, okay? This one, sit down. Here, put it there. Sit down here, put it there. Saan ka ba pupunta? Ano? Okay. Careful, okay? Don't put it down. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. It's all good now. Thank you, Anna. Give me hug. Where's Mama's hug? My baby was such a good girl, my baby Yana. Such a good girl. Good job. Clap your hand. Clap. Good job. Tap your friend. Tap your first self. Good job, self. Good job. Well done. Okay, Mama will make your breakfast, okay? Which one you want to watch? Huh? Which one? Dinosaur? No. Oh, no. Kagabi nanood ako ng Netflix. Ano po yan? Take off your shoes. That's your sandal. What you want, Mama? Then my Mama will gonna change your pajama, okay? Which one you like to watch? Okay, which one? This dinosaur? You want that? Or you want this choo-choo? You want the choo-choo? Okay, say yes, please. Okay, Mama will cook your breakfast, okay? Yung pagkain niya. Yes, anak. Wait na. Almost done. Ay, hindi ko na ano. Almost done. You want cheese? Okay, your food is ready. I will have my coffee also. Yes, anak. Yeah, wait, mommy. Just sit down there. Mama will give your food. Okay? Oh, wait. Itchy. Yes, it's itchy my back. Oh, come, let's go. Come on, let's go. Sit down there. Go get your chair. Yeah, go get your chair. Sit down. Yeah, that's eggs and nuts. Yeah, eggs. Let's eat. You have to pray first, okay? Put your hands together and pray. Put your hands together and pray, Anna. Lord, thank you for the food. Amen. Okay, good job. Yeah, let go eat. Come on, eat na. Come on, hurry up. Hurry. Oh, kinain niya naman yung itlog na gawa ko. Pero marami sa ilalim. Ano sa lam? Maraming kalat. Diyos ko, Lord. Ang batang ito. Anyway. Okay lang yan, anak. Nandito ako para magligpit sa kalat mo. Nain na mga shots. Magkape-kape na rin tayo mga shots. Nainis ako sa ulo ko. Kanina, hindi ko na-realize na mayroon pa pala akong suklay sa buhok ko. Lakad ako ng lakad. Hindi ko talaga napansin kanina na mayroon akong suklay. Na para akong buang na ano, na tsaka ng, parang lulang-lula na mayroong suklay sa ulo. Hindi ko na-realize yun ah. Kaya sa video, nag-video kanina, hindi ko na-realize. But anyway mga shots, kape tayo. Tapos meron, nakapagtimpla na pala ako ng kape ko. Tapos ito pala mga shots na nabili ko to kagabi kasi nga dapat ngayon ko to, ay kagabi ko to niluto. Tapos ngayon ko kakainin sana kasama ng aking coffee. Eh, ang dami kong ginawa kagabi sa kapanood. Na-addict sa Netflix. Hindi na nagawa yung aking trabaho. But anyway, itong balanghoy. Binili ko to kahapon doon kay kuya. 50 peso to yung ganito. Siguro mga half an kilo na to. Mabigat din naman siya. Ngayon, na-realize ko kung paano namin yung ginawa yung puto balanghoy puto. Ano ba tawag nun? Puto balanghoy. Di ko alam kung paano namin ginawa yun kasi nagluto kami ni Michelle noon. Meron siyang, di ko matandaan kung nilagyan namin ng gata or wala. So, napaisip ako paano ba namin niluto yun. But anyway, walang problema kasi nandyan si Google eh. At saka nandyan si YouTube. Magtanong tayo mamaya kung paano ba to gagawin. So, sana magawa ko to mamaya. Anyway, magkape muna tayo mga shots. Kasi, anak! Ay! Pikape muna tayo. Wow, very good anak! Naubos na yung, naubos na yung gawa kong itlog sa kanya. Naubos niya naman. Do you like your eggs? Very good anak! Yeah, do you like it? Is it yummy? Oh, that's a mango. And eat your yogurt, please. Pero yung sa baba, maraming kalat. Basta itong batang ito. Oh, eat your mango. No wasting, please, okay? Daddy doesn't like that. Me either. No wasting food. Ayana, I just said no wasting food, anak. Don't get mama mad. Up. That's bad. Eat your food, please. No throwing. If you don't like it, tell me. Leave it on the plate and I will eat it, okay? Eat, please. Eat. No wasting. Anak, don't get me mad, okay? You know me, when I get mad. No wasting. Matataubos ang pasensya. Alam mo, ibibigyan mo ng prutas. Tapos itatapon lang. Kaya nanghihinayang din ako magbili-bili ba ng prutas. Kasi ito yung ginagawa niya. Dinurog-durog na. Enough. Hindi niya nagustuhan yung mango. Hindi ko alam bakit. Pero minsan kumakain naman yung siya ng mango. Oh, mama, let me feed you, okay? I want you to feed and you eat it, okay? Open your mouth. Yogurt. That's a yogurt. Is it yummy? That's yummy, right? Kailangan talaga ng mabang pasensya yung mga ina kasi pag mga ganitong kalikutan ng mga bata. Yummy? You wanna see on the video? Okay, just put down the video so they cannot see you. Oh, wait, mommy. Wait. Oh, tell them to say hello, Tata Shots. Si Tata Shots, dali. Come on. Hurry up. Teka na kayo, yung aking, yung aking kape, malamig na sa Hurry up. Ayaw mo naman. Yan ang sinasabi. Yung nagdadadiet ka, tapos yung anak mo kumakain, hindi inuubos. Sino ba yung kakain din? Di ba? Yung ina. Kaya tumataba yung ina. Anak, do you still have food here, anak? Still have your yogurt? You wanna see them? So you wanna say hello to them? Okay, come here. Show them. Gusto niya makita kayo. So, say hi. Say hi. Say hello, Tata Shots. Say good morning, Tata Shots. Look at them. Where are you? Show them. Say hello. Is that Viviana? Say hi to them. Hi, Tata Shots. And Tata Ellen and Tata Evelyn. Say hi. Where are you? No, show them here. They cannot see you. Oh. Balanghoy mga shots. Ito gagawin ko siyang putong balanghoy. So, ang alam ko nito is i-grind pa to. I'm not sure kung anong ilalagay ko dito. Asukal lang ba or gata. So, we will see kung anong gagawin natin dito mga shots. Magtanong-tanong muna tayo kay YouTube. Look at me first. Oh, look at. Oh, daddy. So, look, daddy. Oh, daddy. Wait, smile first. Smile. Ayun. Oh, come, let's go na. Go. What's that? Oh, the Peppa Pig. Go get the Peppa Pig. Go. No? Wawa, Peppa Pig. Come on. Go get Peppa Pig.
Mama.
Yes, go Peppa Pig. Let's go Peppa Pig. Magsisimba kami ni Yana dalawa. Anak, tingnan mo yung sugat mo, anak. Inano mo, in-scratch mo. Bye-bye, Peppa Pig. Bye-bye. Don't like Peppa Pig anymore?
Mama,
Okay, let's go.
that.
Cat? No, Peppa Pig. Sige, mag-ano ka sa ano mo, sa dress mo. Sige, dress. Let me see. Turn around, turn around. Oh. Okay, one more, turn around. Show me your dress. Panglamok. Let's go. Parehas kaming panglamok. Takbo sa atin yung lamok, anak. Put her down, her babe. You ask daddy. Put daddy. Daddy, put me down. Dali. Dirty. Yeah. Sit down. Okay, sit down. Ay, call. Wala naman talaga to sa plano namin na mag-SM. Kaso lang di kami na-inform sa aming sa aming church. Anniversary pala ngayon, sarado yung church na pinuntahan namin. So, tumuloy na kami sa SM. So, ito na naman yung bata namin. Oh, no. You have to hold tight, anak. Hold tight.